Industrial manufacturers used to chase symptoms of quality problems. They'd add another QC station or more customer service people to handle complaints. But then they got smart about it, with many building on important lessons that they learned from Deming. They decided to engineer quality into the process, and that meant when they had a problem, they had to work backwards to find the root cause. So that's standard practice now in manufacturing, at least on the production and operations side. Unfortunately, the marketing and sales side are completely different. When it comes to common B2B marketing and industrial sales problems, they still treat the symptoms. Take discounting, for instance. They may get some negotiation training and never work their way back to the root cause, which is different. It's often the sales team's inability to reach a decision maker, or ascertain and confirm the budget, or sell value, or learn a buyer's compelling reasons to take action. And the same happens with other problems like inadequate leads, low ratio of new to repeat business, inaccurate forecasts and unpredictable pipelines, lack of new prospect meetings, competitive losses, etc. So they invest in some training for the symptom. That doesn't fix it. And they conclude that training isn't right for their industry. So instead, we need to uncover the root causes. While we can't walk step by step through the production line, checking each jig, lighting, incoming raw material, etc., we do have an amazing diagnostic option. A sales team evaluation can accurately uncover the root causes of these industrial sales problems and then inform the design of effective training, process improvements, and team adjustments. So stop chasing symptoms of B2B sales problems. Identify the root causes and work on those.